Next 8.9. Which of the two O2N CH2CH2O minus or CH3CH2O minus is expected to be more stable and why? So the two compounds are, so NO2 nitro group CH2CH2O minus. Here it is a nitro group CH2CH2O minus. So another one is CH3CH2O minus. Here in nitro group NO2 is the minus I effect. So negative end effect, minus I effect. So it is minus I effect. It is the alkyl group. Alkyl group is the plus I effect. So plus I effect. So the stability is, therefore stability is proportional to minus I effect, inversely proportional to plus I effect. So the stability is directly proportional to minus I effect, inversely proportional to plus I effect. So it is the more stable, it is the less stable. So it is the reason. So the reason is NO2 is minus I effect, alkyl group is plus I effect. That's why it is more stable than this one. So thank you. Please subscribe.